हॅलो स्टुडंट्स अँड वेलकम टू स्मार्टेस्ट एज्युकेशन अकॅडमी. आज आम्ही तुमच्या खातीर घेवन आयल्यात पॉलिटिकल सायन्साचेर व्हिडिओ. पॉलिटिकल सायन्स तुमकां 15 मार्क्सा खातीर आसा आनी हे 15 मार्क्स स्कोर करपाक खूब इजी आसा. ह्या व्हिडिओन आमी तुमकां फक्त मेमरायजेशन पॉयंट्स, जसो आमी प्रिवियस अमेरिकन वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडन्साचेर मेमरायजेशन पॉयंट्स घेवन आयिल्लीत. तुमची ऑलमोस्ट स्टडी जाल्या आसतली. सो हे पॉयंट्स फक्त तुमकां मेमरायजेशना खातीर, रेफरन्सा खातीर, जे तुमचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स ऑलरेडी जाले आसतले ते मातशे आनी याद उरपाक लागून हो व्हिडिओ तुमकां खूब हेल्प करतलो. सो आमी मार्क्स डिस्ट्रिब्युशन पळोवया. सो हे आसा मार्क्स डिस्ट्रिब्युशन तुमच्या प्रत्येक चॅप्टराचे आनी तुमी पळोवपाक शकता युनियन एग्जिक्युटीव हो एकूच चॅप्टर 3 मार्क्सांक आसा, बाकीचे सगळे 2 मार्क्सांक आसा. And it is very easy to score this marks. So तुमकां हे overall 15 marks score करपाक खूब easy आसा, because सामके easy questions येता हाजेर, चड डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन्स आसनात. सो ह्या व्हिडिओन आमी मेनली आमचे फर्स्ट 3 चॅप्टर्स जे आसा, युनियन एग्जिक्युटीव, युनियन लेजिस्लेचर आनी ज्युडिशरी, हे कवर करतली. Okay, so the main organs of government are union legislature, union executive and judiciary. ह्या 3 main organs आसा. सो हातूंतले फर्स्ट आमी पळोवया युनियन लेजिस्लेचर. सो युनियन लेजिस्लेचर ऑफ इंडिया इज कॉल्ड द पार्लमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. तुम्ही आयकलाच आसतले पार्लमेंटा बद्दल, आनी आय होप तुमकां खबर आसा आमचे इंडियेचो पार्लमेंट खंय आसा तो. सो युनियन लेजिस्लेचर हॅज 2 हावजीस, एक म्हणजे लोकसभा आणि दुसरे म्हणजे राज्यसभा. आता पार्लमेंटान आमचो प्रेजिडंट येता, लोकसभा येता आणि राज्यसभा येता. लोकसभा इज द लोअर हाऊस, राज्यसभा इज द अप्पर हाऊस. अँड इंडिया हॅज अडॉप्टेड पार्लियामेंटरी सिस्टम. पार्लियामेंटरी सिस्टम म्हणल्यार तुमकां खबर आसतलेच की तुमचे पेरंट्स वोट करतात. सो जे लोक निवडून हाडटा आनी तातूंतल्याच एकट्याक हेड ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट करतात, ताका आमी पार्लिमेंटरी सिस्टम म्हणटा. सो फर्स्ट आमी पळोवया द प्रेजिडेंट. प्रेजिडेंट जो आसा, ही इज हेड ऑफ द स्टेट अँड पार्ट ऑफ पार्लिमेंट. ही इज इलेक्टेड बाय इलेक्ट्रल कॉलेज, म्हणल्यार MPs आणि MLAs ताका इलेक्ट करता. MPs आर द मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट अँड MLAs आर द मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव्ह असेंब्ली, जे फक्त स्टेटी पुरतेच काम करतात. वेरेज MPs जे स्टेटाक रिप्रेझेंट करता दिल्ली पार्लमेंटाक, तांचो टर्म आसता फॉर 5 years. And they can be impeached for violating the constitution. Impeached for violating the constitution म्हणल्यार तांचे जे पोजिशन आसा ताजो समज ते मिसयूज करतात ऑर खंयचे लॉज जावं कितें ब्रेक करतात जाल्यार तांकां काडूनय उडोवपाक मेळटा. They act on the advice of Council of Ministers, which is led by the Prime Minister. The President, on the advice of the Council of Ministers, appoints Attorney General. Attorney General म्हणल्यार he is the legal advisor for the government. गव्हर्मेंटाक लिगल समज कितें मदत जाय जाल्यार तें काम Attorney General करता, and he is appointed by the President. So next are the legislative powers of the president. The legislative powers of the president are: he summons and prorogues the parliament, he can dissolve the Lok Sabha, he nominates 12 Rajya Sabha members and 2 Anglo-Indians, he gives assent to bills, he issues ordinances when parliament is not in session. These are the legislative powers of the president. These are some of the obligatory powers of the president. Must give assent to money bills, म्हणल्यार तो मनी बिल्स रिजेक्ट करपाक शकना. Must dissolve Lok Sabha if government is not formed. And he acts as per the Council of Ministers on the advice of Council of Ministers. Next is the Rajya Sabha or the upper house, which represents the states and union territories. Rajya Sabha is the permanent house of parliament and it cannot be dissolved. Rajya Sabha permanent house of parliament म्हणटा because ते dissolve जायना. It remains in a continuous process. जरी एक मेंबराचो टेन्युअर 6 वर्स आसलो, but every 2 years 1/3 of the members retire. So it is a continuous process, चालू उरता आनी ते केन्नाच बंद उरना. So it never dissolves. ताका लागून ताका परमनंट हाऊस ऑफ पार्लमेंट म्हणटा. आणि जे मेंबर्स आसता राज्यसभेन दे रिप्रेजेंट स्टेट्स अँड युनियन टेरिटरीज आणि तांकां इलेक्ट मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटीव असेंब्लीज म्हणल्यार जे स्टेटी भितर मेंबर्स निवडून आयिल्ले आसता ते तांकां इलेक्ट करता. Members of the Rajya Sabha are elected indirectly by the elected members of state legislative assemblies using proportional representation and the single transferable vote system. So maximum जे strength आसा Rajya Sabheचो तो आसा 250. Currently there are 245. The elected members are 238 of states and union territories, and out of that 12 जे आसात they are nominated by president on the basis of art, culture. ह्या बेसिसाचेर तांकां president elect करता, appoint करता. So now we'll see qualifications and disqualifications of the Rajya Sabha member. Qualifications हांगा मेन्शन केल्ले आसता आनी डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन्सूय मेन्शन केल्ले आसा जे राज्य सभा मेंबरा खातीर इम्पॉर्टंट आसात. You can read it. Okay. Then we come to the officials of the Rajya Sabha. Officials of the Rajya Sabha आसा vice president, deputy chairman and panel of vice chairpersons. जो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट आसा ही इज द एक्स ऑफिशियो चेअरमॅन ऑफ द राज्य सभा and he is not entitled to vote. He can only vote in the situation of tie. आता आमी पळोवया लोकसभा or House of the People. It is also known as Popular House or Lower House. आणि लोकसभाचे जे मेंबर्स आसा they are directly elected by Indian citizens. For example, Goa घेतले जाल्यार we have 2 seats in the Lok Sabha. That is, one is North Goa MP and one is South Goa. नॉर्थाक एक रिप्रेजेंट करता आणि सावथाक एक रिप्रेजेंट करता. सो जी मेजॉरिटी पार्टी विन जाता दे फॉर्म अ गवर्नमेंट and their tenure is 5 years unless dissolved earlier by the president. And these are the key roles of the members of the Lok Sabha, what the Lok Sabha does. And the composition, maximum strength is 552. Out of that currently we are having 543 by direct election. Then there is reservation of seat also for SC and ST. SC खातीर 84 seats आसात आणि ST खातीर 47 seats आसात. टेरिटोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन म्हणल्यार जे युनियन टेरिटरीज आसा तेंचे रिप्रेजेंटेशन. Then qualifications and disqualifications. Disqualifications are same जशे राज्यसभा मेंबर्सा खातीर आसता, whereas qualification and only the difference is the age. Rajya Sabha the member has to be at least 30 years old, whereas Lok Sabha khatir it is at least 25 years old. Officials of the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabhaचे जे officials आसात ते आसा speaker, which who is elected by the Lok Sabha members itself. Then you have deputy speaker and a panel of chairpersons. speaker's powers and functions. So the powers and functions of speaker are: he presides over the sessions, maintains order in the house, decides on money bills, casts deciding vote in case of a tie, can disqualify MPs under anti-defection law. His decision is final in all parliamentary matters. Powers of the Union Legislature. So these are some of the powers of the Union Legislature, like legislative powers, financial powers, executive powers, judicial powers, amendment powers. तुम्ही हे points read करपाक शकता. So next is the legislative procedure. तातून first येता quorum, meaning the minimum number of members required to hold a meeting or to conduct a meeting in the parliament. समज तितले members येवना जाल्यार the session is not conducted. Then you have the first stage where a new bill is introduced. Then in the second stage you have detailed discussion and debate about the bill. जे bill new introduce केला ताजे बद्दल सगळे discussion and debate जाता आणि ते bill select committee send करतात ते approve जावन येता. So the second stage is the most time consuming stage, whereas first stage in there is no in detail discussion, just introduction, ते title आणि ताजे बद्दल information. Whereas second stage in सगळे discussion जाता about the bill, whether ते consider करप ना, ते जे points आसात ते सगळे discuss जातात आणि मागीर decision जाता की ते bill consider करप or ना. That's why it is the most time consuming stage in the law making process. Whereas in the third stage it is the final approval and passing of the bill. Then you have ordinary, these are the different types of bills. The ordinary bills are non-money bills. They are introduced in either house, passed by both houses, sent for president's assent. Assent meaning approval. Next are the money bills. They are introduced only in Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha can suggest changes and president must give assent. जे money bills असा ताजे assent or approval presidentaन ते accept करपाकूच जाय. He cannot reject the money bills. President cannot reject the money bills. Parliamentary devices to control the executive. Parliamentary devices असा like question hour, 0 hour, calling attention motion, adjournment motion, no confidence or motion of confidence. हांगा पे points mention केल्ले आसा, तुम्ही ते read करपाक शकता. The points are very easy to understand. So next is the parliamentary committees. These are the committees of the parliamentary. Now ad hoc committee means it is just temporarily formed. एक particular कामा खातीर थोड्याच वेळा खातीर जी committee appoint करता ताका ad hoc committee म्हणटा. Coming to the end of this chapter, okay, this is the brief summary of the overall chapter. Union legislature is made of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the president. Rajya Sabha is the upper house and the members of Rajya Sabha are indirectly elected. It is a permanent house and does not dissolve. Whereas Lok Sabha, it is the house of directly elected members and their term is of 5 years. ह्या आसा थोडे गिव रिजन्स जे 2 मार्क्सा खातीर येतात. ओके, हे तुमी शिकपाक शकता. यू कॅन कन्सिडर दीस एज इम्पॉर्टंट एंड हे तुमी स्टडी करपाक शकता. हे हाजी जी चडशी आन्सर्स आसा ती आमी ऑलरेडी व्हिडिओन कवर केल्ली आसात. सो यू कॅन स्टडी दीस. तुमी पॉयंट्स मेमरायज करून हाजे आन्सर्स बरोवपाक शकता. So now we'll start with the next chapter, which is Union Executive. Now, Union Executive comprises of President, Prime Minister, Council of Minister and Attorney General of India. The union this I have already informed you all. Next, it functions under the parliamentary system. President is the constitutional head. The Prime Minister is the real executive authority. Next, the President is the ceremonial head of the state and the supreme commander of the armed forces. The Presidentचे election कशे जाता, we have already seen in the previous chapter. The members of both the houses of parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, मेळून प्रेसिडेंटाक elect करता. These are the qualifications to be a president. He must be an Indian citizen. His age should be 35 years old. He should be eligible for election as a member of Lok Sabha. He should not hold any office of profit under the government. This is the removal process of the president. If he has violated any laws of the constitution, or he is involved into any corruption or any illegal activities, then he can be removed. So the term of the president is for 5 years. आणि ताजी वेकन्सी केन्ना जनरेट जाता, जर प्रेसिडेंटान रिजायन केल्ले आसत, ताका काडून उडयला, ताजी डेथ जाल्या किंवा अदर कितेंय डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन रिजन आसा जाल्यार प्रेसिडेंटाचो पोस्ट वेकंट जाता. एंड इन दॅट केस वायस प्रेसिडेंट जो आसा, ही एक्ट्स एज अ प्रेसिडेंट अंटील अ न्यू वन इज इलेक्टेड. So next are the powers and functions of the president. प्रेसिडेंटाचे जे पावर्स आसा ते आसा एक्झिक्युटीव पावर्स, लेजिस्लेटीव पावर्स, फायनान्शियल पावर्स, ज्युडिशियल पावर्स and the emergency powers. So you can just go through this points. Next is the Prime Minister. He is the real executive head and leader of the government. So ये powers and functions आसा of the Prime Minister with respect to Council of Ministers, relation with the President, relation to the Parliament, and other powers and functions of the Prime Minister. So then we come to the Council of Ministers. It is the real policy making body. The composition of Council of Ministers is Prime Minister. He is the head of the Council of Ministers. Then we have Cabinet Ministers, Ministers of State, Deputy Ministers. Now the role of the Cabinet Ministers is to formulate government policies, decide on national and international matters, control budget and finance, collective responsibility to Parliament. Next, Cabinet Committees. These are the small group of ministers formed for specific functions. फक्त थोड्या कामा खातीर, थोड्याच वेळा खातीर स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन्स कॅरी आउट करपा खातीर ह्यो कमिटीज फॉर्म केल्ल्यो आसता, लायक पॉलिटिकल अफेर्स कमिटी, इकॉनॉमिक अफेर्स कमिटी, अपॉइंटमेंट्स कमिटी. Emergency provisions. These are the emergency provisions. The national emergency declared in case of war or armed rebellion. Then state emergency imposed when the state government fails. Then financial emergency declared when India's financial stability is threatened. Coming to the end of this chapter, the Union Executive ensures smooth governance under constitutional provision. The President is the nominal head, while the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers exercise real power. President जरी हेड असलो जाल्यार जे पावर्स आसता ते प्रायम मिनिस्टरा कडेन आनी कावन्सिल ऑफ मिनिस्टरां कडेनूच आसता. प्रेसिडेंट जे कितें डिसिजन घेता ते ऑन द एडवायज ऑफ प्रायम मिनिस्टर एंड कावन्सिल ऑफ मिनिस्टरांच्या एडवायजा प्रमाणे घेता. And emergency provisions grant extraordinary powers to the president, ensuring stability in crisis. Now ह्या चॅप्टराचेर हे आसा थोडे 1 mark क्वेश्चन्स जे आन्सर्स खूब इजी आसा. तुमकां ह्या व्हिडिओन ही आन्सर्स मेळटली. सो हियर आर ऑल्सो सम मोर क्वेश्चन्स जे तुमी रेफर करपा शकता. सी स्कोरींग दिस 2 मार्क्स इज वेरी वेरी इजी. सो तुमी इजिली हे मार्क्स स्कोर करपाक शकता. सो हे जर तुमी पॉयंट्स लक्षान दवरले तुमकां बरें पडटलें हे क्वेश्चन्स आन्सर करपाक, बिकॉज दे आर जस्ट फॉर 1 मार्क. So now coming to the third chapter, judiciary in India. Now judiciary in India is made up of 3 courts. That is, first जो येता Supreme Court, my High Court आणि ताजे नंतर येता subordinate courts. So organization of the judicial system in India, single integrated judiciary system. And it has 3 levels: Supreme Court, High Court and the subordinate courts. Subordinate courts and जे district courts and ताजे lower courts असा ते येता. Independent from executive and legislature. It is totally it is not dependent on the executive and legislature. म्हणल्यार जे कोर्टाचे डिसिजन्स आसता, सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे जावं खंयच्याय कोर्टाचे जे डिसिजन्स आसता ते एग्जिक्युटिवाचेर आनी लेजिस्लेचराचेर डिपेंड आसना. म्हणल्यार ते प्रायम मिनिस्टर किंवा प्रेजिडेंट हेंच्या कडल्यान कसलेच एडवायस ऑर सजेशन्स घेनात. अँड इट इज कंप्लिटली डिफरंट फ्रॉम देम. दो इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द सिस्टम, बट जेन्ना डिसिजन घेवपाचे येता तेन्ना they don't take any advice from the prime minister or the president. Okay. The Supreme Court was established in 1950. It has 1 chief justice and 25 judges. Now the chief justice or the judges are appointed by the president, and the retirement age is 65 years. Appointment of ad hoc judges. Ad hoc judges म्हणल्यार जे थोड्याच टायमा खातीर तांकां अपॉयंट केल्ले आसता फॉर अ स्पेशल केस ऑर इफ देर इज एक्सेसीव वर्कलोड. आनी रिटायर्ड जे जजीस आसा तांकां एज अ एड हॉक जज म्हणून अपॉयंट करपा मेळटा, एंड दे आर अपॉयंटेड बाय द प्रेजिडेंट. Next, the qualifications, tenure and removal of the Supreme Court. ये तुम्ही read करपाक शकता points. Then prohibition of practice after retirement. Supreme Courtaचे जे जजीस आसा तांकां एकदां रिटायर जाले की परत आनी लॉ प्रॅक्टीस करपाक मेळना खंयच्याच कोर्टान, बट दे कॅन बी रिअपॉयंटेड फॉर स्पेशल केसीस एज अ एड हॉक जजीस बी म्हणून तांकां अपॉयंट करपा वता, बट दे कॅनॉट प्रॅक्टीस. Then these are remuneration and immunities given to them. Then seat of the Supreme Court. Supreme Court is located in New Delhi. Then these are the powers and jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. The original jurisdiction, appellate jurisdiction, advisory jurisdiction, judicial review. Okay, these are the powers of the Supreme Court. Judiciary or the High Court. High courts are the highest courts at the state level, and the appointment of the judges is done by President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India and Governor, and त्यांची retirement age असता 62 years. These are the powers and jurisdiction of high courts. Then this is about the judiciary in Goa. Goa has High Court in Panjim, that is Bombay High Court, and it is the top court in Goa. It also has regional benches at Nagpur and Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Then subordinate judiciary in Goa, district and session court, judicial magistrates, family courts, consumer courts, fast track courts, हे सगळे बाकीचे courts आसा, subordinate courts आसा in Goa. Coming to the summary, Supreme Court is the highest authority. High Court handles state level cases. Subordinate courts deal with local cases. Judiciary ensures protection of fundamental rights. Goa's judiciary has a mix of Indian and Portuguese लीगल इन्फ्लुएंसीस. ओके, हे थोडे क्वेश्चन्स आसा. दीज आर नेम द फॉलोवींग. हे तुमी हाजे आन्सर्स तुमकां मेळटले. आणि दीज आर सम वन क्वेश्चन्स इन वन सेंटेन्स फॉर 1 मार्क. थँक्यू तुम्ही हो व्हिडिओ पळयल्या बद्दल. तुमची ऑलरेडी स्टडी जाल्या आसतलीच. सो आय होप की हे जे आमी पॉयंट्स तुमच्या खातीर घेवन आयल्यात ते तुमकां मेमरायजेशना खातीर हेल्प करतले आणि क्वेश्चन्सूय तुमकां थोडे मेळ्ळा आसतलेत जे आमी हातून कवर केल्यात. त्या भायर तुमी आनी जे तुमकां टिचरीन दिल्या तेय शिकचेच. आणि तुमच्या खातीर आमी ह्या व्हिडिओन 3 चॅप्टर्स कवर केले पॉलिटिकल सायन्साचे. सो उरिल्ले जे चॅप्टर्स आसा आमी ते नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओन घेवन येतली. आणि जर तुमकां हो व्हिडिओ आवडला आसत जाल्यार लायक करात, सबस्क्रायब करात. आणि खंयच्याय टॉपिकाचेर जर तुमकां व्हिडिओ जाय आसत जाल्यार प्लीज आमकां कमेंट्सान कळयात. आणि हो व्हिडिओ शेअर करात तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सां बरोबर. तांकांय शिकुनी आणि तुमीय शिकात.